Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna talk about different expressions to say I like in English. Jay, do you like eating sweets? Yes, I like sweets. I like chocolates. I like candies. And I like cupcakes and brownies. What about sports? Do you watch sports? What kinds of sports do you like watching? I like watching football. So exciting. Ah, are you reading books? What kinds of books do you like reading? I like reading novels. I like them. When someone asks, what do you like, or what do you like doing on your free time? We tend to answer, I like this, I like that, I like doing this, and it sounds repetitive, right? So let's learn different expressions and alternatives to I like in English. I'm into baking pastries and sweets. I'm into baking pastries and sweets is another way of saying I like baking pastries and sweets. I'm into is the same with I like. You can say I'm into sports, I'm into reading comic books, I'm into poetry, I'm into. I'm interested in playing Uno cards. When someone asks you what kind of games do you like playing, for example, instead of saying I like playing Uno cards, you can say I'm interested in playing Uno cards. I'm interested in is another way of saying I like in English. You can also say I'm interested in pop music. I'm interested in playing computer games. I'm interested in Harry Potter books. I'm interested in. I'm fond of reading novels. If you are into reading, instead of saying I like reading novels, you can say I'm fond of reading novels. I'm fond of is another way to say I like in English. You can also say I'm fond of Michael Jackson. I'm fond of listening to podcasts. I'm fond of shopping. I'm fond of. I'm a fan of pop music. What you trying to do? If you are asked, what sort of music do you like listening to? You can say, I'm a fan of pop music, instead of saying I like pop music. I'm a fan of is another alternative to I like. You can say, I'm a fan of Justin Bieber, or I'm a fan of basketball. I'm a fan of yours if you like someone. So I'm a fan of. I'm keen on playing the guitar. With you between my I'm keen on playing the guitar is an alternative to I like playing the guitar. I'm keen on is another way to say I like in English. You can say I'm keen on painting pictures of nature. I'm keen on playing football. I'm keen on mountain hiking. If you're really interested into something, you can say I'm keen on. I'm passionate about teaching. So if you really like something, you can say I'm passionate about that thing. I'm passionate about is another way to say I like, but it's very strong like. As for me, I'm passionate about teaching English. You can also say I'm passionate about drawing cartoons. I'm passionate about dancing. I'm passionate about graphic designing. I'm passionate about. Well, guys, there's still a lot of alternatives to say I like in English. I just shared with you some that you can use in daily conversations. Again, don't just stick to basic English expressions. There are a lot of ways to say some expressions in English. If this video is helpful for you, please give a thumbs up. Comment down below some of the things that you like, you're into, you're interested in. I would love to see them. And please subscribe to my channel for more English lessons, English tips that you can use in real life situations. See you soon on my next video.